If you want to learn how to clean up your vocal dialogue recordings instantly, stick around after this introduction.
Latch them softly.
Welcome everybody, my name's Dan Spencer and this is the Audio Sorcerer YouTube channel. So this is the place where we talk about music production, audio mixing, mastering, and even a little bit about music business. So if those topics interest you, make sure you hit that subscribe button, but also the notification bell so you never miss a new video when it comes out. So in today's video, we are talking about Voice ReGen, and I want to say right off the bat, if you do find this product interesting, I do have a link in the description below where you can go check it out. And with that being said, let's actually get into my computer here and I'll show you what ReGen is all about. Voice ReGen is a web-based application used to clean up vocal recordings, but it is strictly for dialogue recordings and not singing. So I want to make that clear. So this is going to be for your content creators and also maybe people working in film. So if they're shooting on location, maybe outside, and they need to clean up that audio, it's going to be great for that. So ReGen's algorithm does four things. It removes background noise, it removes room echo, it enhances speech, and it fixes uneven volume, kind of like a compressor. And one cool thing to note is that if you don't have a subscription, you can still get 5 free minutes a month of audio cleanup. So that's something you should definitely take advantage of. So with that being said, let's actually look at the subscription prices now. So as mentioned, there is a free tier and you do get 5 minutes a month of audio cleanup. You can either upload an audio file or a video file and it will just take the audio from the video and clean that up. Now, one thing cool, you also do get teleprompter access along with the built-in recorder, which we'll actually talk about later. So the next tier up is the creator tier, and this is the one that most people would probably want to get if you are making, a decent amount of content. That is $9.99 a month. That is all the same things that free has, except that you get 300 minutes a month of audio cleanup. And then there is the pro version, which has all the same stuff, but you get 800 minutes a month. Okay. So that's pretty much everything you need to know about what ReGen is and the pricing. So let's actually see how you use it and upload files to the web application. All right, so here we are on the Voice ReGen dashboard, and I just want to go over this quickly because most of it is self-explanatory, but over here in the left-hand column, at the top, it will show you your account status. So I have a pro account, and it says it is active. Beneath that, it will show you how many hours and minutes of recording time you have left for the month. Beneath that, it will show you your stats section and show you how many files you have ready, and then how many files are processed. And then lastly, at the bottom, you have the Learning Hub where you can see some tips, some facts, and an FAQ section, which I definitely recommend reading before you begin processing any audio. Now, before we process any audio files, I want to show you the Record Now section because it's actually pretty dope. So let me click on it here. So this section allows you to record audio straight into ReGen using your microphone. All you have to do is select your microphone right here. So I already have it selected because you can see the meter moving as I speak. You can select a countdown time if you want it, and then you simply just hit record, and you're recording straight into ReGen. And the cool part is beneath it, you have a teleprompter section, so you can put your whole entire script right in here, and you never have to leave the software. And when you're done recording, you process the audio, and theoretically, you have a file that's ready to go to use in whatever application you want to use it in. So honestly, that's pretty dope. So we're not going to be using this, so let's get back to the click to add section. Now, to add files to ReGen, you can either do the click to add button here, or you can simply drag and drop them right into this wide section here, which I'm going to do. So let me grab them here. All right, so those are on there and they are in the status of ready. So all I have to do is simply hit this process button. All right, so they are processing now. To mention what I actually recorded here, one is a cell phone recording of me using a Pixel cell phone talking on my trail outside my house, which is the Dickeyville Trail in Baltimore. And then the other one is me using a lavalier microphone to a camera in my actual studio here. So we'll kind of see how well it processes both of those in different situations. So as you can see, both of these are already done. They show as file processed here. And I simply just have to click these download buttons here to download them. So when we come back, I'm going to have these set up in a Pro Tools session so we can hear the before and afters. I'm outside today walking on the Dickeyville Trail. The weather is absolutely beautiful. The sun is shining, there's a light breeze, and the trees are just starting to bloom. It's a perfect day to get out and enjoy nature. This recording was done on a Pixel 10 cell phone with my mouth about 1.5 feet away from the microphone. I'm outside today walking on the Dickeyville Trail. The weather is absolutely beautiful. The sun is shining, there's a light breeze, and the trees are just starting to bloom. It's a perfect day to get out and enjoy nature. This recording was done on a Pixel 10 cell phone with my mouth about 1.5 feet away from the microphone. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. And honestly, good for him. That's a tough job. Standing outside all day, no breaks, birds constantly disrespecting you. The man deserves some recognition. I'd quit after one day. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. And honestly, good for him. That's a tough job. Standing outside all day, no breaks, birds constantly disrespecting you. The man deserves some recognition. I'd quit after one day. All right, so let's talk about results here. So the cell phone recording results were actually fantastic. It removed all of those nature sounds. The birds were gone, the river was gone, and just anything else you heard in there was pretty much gone. It sounded like a studio recording at that point. And you could take that audio and use it in film, and any content you create, it was that good. Now, on the other hand, the lavalier recording was awful. As you can hear, it was waving in and out, and that is because I don't think ReGen can really determine what was background sound and room tone. So the lavalier does pick up room tone, and there's really, nothing you can do about it. So in my experience with ReGen here and testing even some other scenarios, it doesn't do well if you're trying to record in a scenario where it is actually good and you're just trying to kind of get the audio mixed. Okay, it's not for mixing audio. You actually want to use it when you're correcting stuff that actually has legit background sounds in it. Okay, so that's my experience with it. Now, for you guys that have used it, let me know in the comments below your experience with it and what you think of ReGen. So if you guys end up liking this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video when it comes out. And if you like content like this, make sure you check out my review/tutorial on the Waves Clarity VX. And with that being said, until the next video, I will see you guys later and peace out.